James. No! No! Okay, good. I took the James. James from me. You fucking asshole. Where did I go? That was weird. That was so weird. Can I get James back? I would be real. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, my queen is boasting.
So. Why is your thing lopsided? Why is your thing lopsided? Waiting. No, James. Oh shit! Get the fuck out of my way. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm pushing them.
Hey, no cussing, no cussing.
Oh, and I just took him with. Okay, so I just crashed James. Let me give you a kiss, okay? Mwah. Oh shit. Shit. Whoa. Whoa. I love.
Oh man, I just saw something I never thought I was gonna see.
The train's balls. I'm sniffing your ass. Oh yeah. Wait, I gotta get the nice expression. Hold on. We gotta get. Wait, hold on. Move out of the way. Move. Wait. Oh. I want to sniff your ass again. Let me sniff it. Oh, wait.